Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. Today in this video series, we are going to run our second program of control statement. So let us look at the program. So we have to print the result pass or fail according to this condition. If your mark is greater or equal to 40, then you are pass, otherwise you are fail. And in the previous video we have solved this program by using single line if statement and single line if else statement. But in this video we are going to print this program using multi-line if statement. So first of all, look at the syntax of the multi-line if statement. So multi-line if statement, simply this statement is used to execute a block of the statement based on the evaluation of an expression that must be true. So syntax is if, then expression, then statement block, and in last end if. So simply here we have a statement block. Simply a statement block consists of any number of statement on one or more line, and here we have end if. So simply end if terminate the multi-line if statement. So let us look at the program. So in first write CLS, then we need mark, no? So simply we use input command. So simply enter your marks, suppose any variable yum, and if mark is greater equal to 40, then print pass end if, then last we use end. This is our program. So simply when we enter any value, that is any obtained mark, so simply it is stored in this variable yum variable, and if this mark greater or equal to 40, then it print pass end if end. So simply this is our program. So run it. So enter your mark. Suppose mark is 80, so pass. Again check once. Enter your mark. Suppose your mark is 20, so it print nothing, because our condition is only if mark is greater or equal to 40, then only print pass. So in this program we can also add one more line also, like suppose we can add here print congrats, and check once this program. Enter your mark. Suppose your mark is 95, so pass, congrats. So simply we can add here one or more line, like again we can write here like print pass, congrats, keep it up, and check once. Enter your mark. Suppose your mark is 99, pass, congrats, keep it up. So it is right. So thank you for watching this video.